Topographical surveyors in Faridabad are professionals who specialize in conducting topographical surveys of a particular area. These surveys involve the measurement and mapping of the physical features of the land, including its elevation, contours, and natural and man-made features. Topographical surveyors play a crucial role in various industries, including construction, engineering, and urban planning. They provide accurate and detailed information about the terrain, which is essential for designing and implementing infrastructure projects. When it comes to topographical surveys in Faridabad, SCON Design is a renowned firm that offers exceptional services in this field. SCON Design has a team of highly skilled and experienced topographical surveyors who use state-of-the-art equipment and techniques to ensure accurate and reliable results. With their expertise, they can capture even the minutest details of the land, providing clients with comprehensive data for their projects. The importance of topographical surveys cannot be overstated. They provide essential information that is crucial for the planning and design of various projects. For instance, in the construction industry, topographical surveys help architects and engineers understand the site's terrain and make informed decisions about the placement of structures and infrastructure. This information is also vital for determining the feasibility of a project and assessing any potential risks or challenges associated with the land. In addition to construction projects, topographical surveys are also essential for urban planning. They assist city planners in understanding the existing landscape and determining suitable locations for residential, commercial, and recreational areas. By analyzing the topographical data, planners can ensure that new developments are well integrated into the existing environment and take advantage of natural features. Topographical surveyors in Faridabad are experts with a focus on carrying out topographical surveys of a specific region. In these surveys, the physical characteristics of the land, such as its elevation, contours, and features both natural and artificial, are measured and mapped. In a variety of sectors, including building, engineering, and urban planning, topographical surveyors are essential. For the purpose of planning and putting into action infrastructure projects, they offer precise and thorough information about the terrain. SCON Design is a well-known company that provides great services in the area of topographical surveys in Faridabad. Modern tools and methods are used by SCON Design's team of highly qualified and experienced topographical surveyors to guarantee precise and trustworthy results. They are skilled enough to take even the professionals who specialize in performing topographical surveys of a certain area may be found in Faridabad. These surveys entail measuring and mapping the land's physical characteristics, such as its elevation, contours, and features both natural and man-made. Construction, engineering, and urban planning are just a few of the sectors where topographical surveyors are essential. For planning and carrying